Hello, myself Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to demonstrate you VRML, Virtual Reality Modeling Language Snake Animation using Vivity Studio. So this will be the node graph for the snake animation. In the node graph, there will be a ground that will be represented by a box. There will be swept surface which will represent the body of the snake. There will be time sensor of a period of 4 seconds. Then there will be coordinate interpolator and there will be two routes. So that is the node graph. First of all, we will create the viewpoint and navigation information as usual. Then we will create a box which will represent the ground surface on which you will see the snake movement. And then there will be a swept surface which will represent the snake body. It will be slightly above the ground surface by 0.3 units. Then there will be timer clock having a period of 4 seconds and the loop and auto start checked. Then there will be coordinate interpolator. There are some key values and there are some key and key values. The key value will be like this, and there will be huge number of key values. So I have created a special separate you can say text file in which you can get all these key values. You can directly copy and paste these key values because it is not possible to present all the key values directly over here. So you can refer a separate text file which is available in the description. You can download that text file and you can directly copy and paste those values in the required field. And then there will be two routes. Out of these two routes, one route is from the timer clock to the coordinate interpolator, which is actually representing the snake movement, and the second is from the snake movement means coordinate interpolator to the swept surface, which is the body of the snake. Now you can see that this particular route is not valid. Actually it is because of the fact that in the Vivity Studio this original code was not generated. It was generated with some other software, and that's why we are recreating this particular code, and we have to make the changes in the route manually so that the code should work. So we will start with the node tree. So initially we will start with the group, create the group, bring that group to absolute 000 position. You can call this group as snake group. Then there will be a viewpoint. I will actually keep the viewpoint above the ground, which is pointing towards the ground. So on y-axis it will be above 6 unit, on z-axis it will be 6 unit away from the central plane, and I want that it should be pointing towards the ground. So make snap equal to minus 44.97. Then there will be navigation information. Now we will create a box which will represent the ground on which you can see the snake movement. So width of the box is 30 meters, height is 0.01 meter. By default, the unit in Vivati or in VRML is meter, and depth is 30 meters. So by default it is of red color. You can change the color. I have changed it to blue color, cyan color. Okay, so now actually I want that I should place the swept surface, which is actually representing the snake body. The swept surface is created with the help of the snake body is created with the help of swept surface, and bring it just above the box surface so that it is completely visible. Now create an animation, create a time sensor, bring it to 000 position, call it as clock, CLOCK, clock. Now there will be a coordinate interpolator. So search the coordinate interpolator, or you can open this drop down list box. You can easily locate coordinate interpolator. Place the coordinate interpolator at absolute 000 position. And in the coordinate interpolator, there will be two fields. First field will be key and second will be key value. Key means actually it is the call this coordinate interpolator as snake movement. Key means at that particular second what will be the moment. So it is representing the time. So I have pasted the key values in one separate text file. You just copy that text file and paste the required values. That's it. And there will be huge number of actually key values. So select all, copy and paste those values in the required field. Now create the root. Create the root. The root will be from the clock. The root will be from the clock to the coordinate interpolator. So this is the first root. Then create the second root. The first root is a valid root, whereas second root will be invalid root. So we have to make it valid by means of manual editing. So it is from the coordinate interpolator. It means that snake movement to the swept surface. snake movement to the swept surface. So that completes the construction of the entire snake animation node tree. You save the file with appropriate name, call it as snake underscore animation. This is a Vivety file. Now you can save the entire code. You can see that there is absolutely no movement. The snake is steady actually. Now you just export the entire file into VRML, and then we will edit that VRML file manually in the notepad. So that completes the export of the Vivety file into VRML. Now we will edit that particular file in notepad. So manually correcting or editing the last invalid root, you have seen that in the procedure up till now, you have seen that the second root is invalid, and it is invalid because of the fact that the original code was written in some different software, and now we are reproducing that code within the Vivety Studio. So hence 100% reproduction is not possible with Vivety Studio. So what you have to do is open the code in the notepad and locate the last line as root snake movement value change to swept surface dot set underscore appearance. You have to change this swept surface one dot set underscore appearance to snake dot set spine. So the snake actually is very much important. Okay, so snake dot set underscore spine is very much important. You have to completely replace this with this particular thing, and then your snake will show some movement. So I will show you the manual correction procedure. Okay, so even if you call this as a snake, or if you keep it swept surface, it doesn't make any difference, because it has nothing to do with the code. So even if you keep it swept surface, then also it will not affect the movement of the snake. So you open the file that we have created just now and try to locate the end of this file, and you can see that this particular the last line, it has to be changed with this line. So you replace swept surface one dot spine with snake dot set underscore spine. That's it, and save it, and then you can view the code in the browser, and you can see that there is a movement. You can see that the snake is moving its body. The movement is visible. If you adjust the view, you can see the ground box which is of blue color. Just adjust the view or look it from different angle. So instead of black background, you will see the ground in blue color. So we will go to, and you can see that the snake is actually moving. Its swagging moment of the snake is clearly seen, and it is moving its body. So this needs to be done manually. It is not possible to 100% reproduce the code in Vivety Studio. So thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details. Thank you.